Hey guys, looking to boost your diesel engine's performance? Today, we're diving into the best diesel injector cleaners that help improve fuel efficiency and engine longevity. These top picks are designed to clean and restore your injectors for smoother operation and better fuel economy. Stay tuned to discover our favorites and check the description for links to these essential products. Let's get cleaning. Seafoam SF16 Motor Treatment. The Seafoam SF16 motor treatment is a comprehensive petroleum-based product designed to clean and lubricate a vehicle's fuel system. Registered with the EPA, it effectively dissolves gum, varnish, and internal contaminants, enhancing engine performance and fuel economy. It stabilizes stored fuel for up to 2 years, preventing evaporation and preserving ignition vapors, which helps avoid gum and varnish buildup. Additionally, it can be added to crankcase oil to remove harmful residues and deposits, ensuring better lubrication and extended engine life. This treatment promotes smoother starts and efficient engine operation, making it an essential component for overall vehicle maintenance. Gumout 510011 Multisystem Tune-Up. The Gumout 510011 Multisystem Tune-Up is a versatile engine treatment suitable for gas, ethanol/flex fuel, diesel, and biodiesel engines. Its premium polyethyramine formula effectively removes carbon deposits from the fuel and oil systems, improving engine performance and longevity. It stabilizes fuel and oil for up to 2 years, combats ethanol-induced rust and corrosion, lubricates upper cylinders, and assists in emissions testing. 1 pint treats 18 to 21 gallons of fuel, offering a straightforward solution for maintaining various engine types. This treatment addresses performance issues across multiple engine formats, making it a valuable tool for engine care. CRC 05228 Diesel Injector Cleaner. The CRC 05228 Diesel Injector Cleaner is a top-rated diesel fuel treatment known for its superior performance in maintaining and enhancing engine efficiency. With a superior rating in the Cummins L10 test, it excels in cleaning injectors, reducing corrosion, and improving lubrication for low-sulfur fuels. Compatible with all diesel vehicles and non-road engines, it treats up to 500 gallons of diesel fuel per 1-gallon bottle. This cleaner boosts fuel economy, maintains cetane rating, and minimizes black smoke emissions, ensuring optimal engine performance and longevity. It is an excellent choice for comprehensive diesel engine maintenance. Goodbye for now. We hope this video helps you find the perfect diesel injector cleaner. Remember to subscribe for more tips and reviews, and we'll see you in the next video.